So in this video I went out and fished for some smallmouth bass at Deer Creek and it went pretty well. Let's go take a look.
Got one. Little guy. Come down, bud. Come down. Well, smallie on Deer Creek. There you go. Hooks out. Pretty little smallmouth. What? Pretty little smallmouth. Yeah. He hit it like a tank. Really? Yep.
Was that your first bite of the day?
First bite of the day. But it was a definite bite, and he came back for it like 100 times. Well, there he goes. Release. There he swims off. Oh, I just got hit. I just broke off. Oh my gosh, I just got slammed so hard. Oh, I really hope that wasn't a snag. I was messing with my line, and that might have been a giant fish. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Come on. Take it. I got a fish. Oh, it's a nice one. Good fish. Dang, it's a good hook set right in the top of the mouth. It's probably a pound smallmouth. That was kind of a stupid fight because I was messing with my line and then I felt a huge tug. I thought I was snagged and then I slipped and then I set the hook and then I had a good fish on. So let's get the release on this guy. Jeez. Oh my gosh, it is so slippery. I'm struggling with life. There he goes. I'm trying to walk back to the spot where I caught some of my fish earlier. It's really difficult to walk on these rocks, especially since these have all been underwater for a long time, so they're all loose. I slipped so many times, just like that. Oh my goodness. It's crazy out here. Got him. Dang. This little guy was feisty. He is hitting it so hard. Oh, he's been in a fight recently. Look at that little cut on him. Yeah, ow, spined me. He hit it. I could tell he was little because he was hitting it viciously, but he wasn't connecting with it. So the hook is basically too big for this little guy. Little teeny guy. Still fun to catch. Super red eyes. Pretty fish. Let's go for the release. There he goes. It just got so dark and then so bright all in a matter of like 4 seconds. That was pretty cool. So, here's the situation. I got a ride up to Deer Creek today because my parents don't trust me driving up the canyon for some reason.
They hate us.
And so then my phone is also really temperamental and it died at 70%. So now I can't call my ride to come get me, and the fishing is terrible because it is so windy. Like, just there's white caps out in the middle. I can't hear anything I'm saying because it's so windy. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, got about an hour and a half before my ride gets here, so I'm just gonna sit here burning in the sun. Maybe if the wind dies down, I'll start fishing again. Alright, so the wind has just started to die down. So now I've got back up and I'm ready to start fishing again. Hopefully we'll get a few more bites and maybe land a couple. Feels like a big one. Oh gosh, this is a fighter for sure. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a big one. Dang, that's a big fish. Probably not as big as he fought to be, but it's a good smallmouth. Look at that hook set though, right in the top of the face. Oh dang, he was pinned hard too. There we go. There's a super nice smallmouth, probably a little over 1 pound, probably 14 inches. Pretty decent size for this lake. I'm real happy with that. Let's get the release. There he goes. Sweet. I'm so glad I caught that fish. Look guys, I caught a rockfish. It's a big one. Can't even budge it. Goodness. Oh, I got it. Don't worry, we're good. We got the rockfish off.
If you enjoyed that, leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Peace.